why CRO can hit $10 in 2025. That is in the next 3.5 years. Of course, they can't. Remember, this token actually hit 96 cents last year in November. That is almost $1. Now, I'm expecting this token to actually hit about $10 with the way they are actually partnering. They have a lot of projects. I mean, they are so much serious in terms of helping the crypto.com CRO coins to increase in value. Not just that they signed an agreement with PSG, with Formula One, and they signed an agreement with so many sports teams. This company have actually also announced that Shopify merchants can now enable crypto.com pay on their online store. Okay, now one thing is that they are actually doing this business with one of the biggest companies out there. In terms of partnering with companies, crypto.com have actually lead the way, partnering with so many companies, but I'm expecting this crypto.com CRO to actually partner with more of Hollywood and industries, and now also in the music industry. They will also help this crypto.com coins to actually improve and grow more in future. Though crypto.com is now trading below 90 cents, I'm still hoping that this token can still increase in value before the ending of next year. It's going to hit about $1 or $2 for the end of next year, based on the way they're actually moving and pushing their projects. So let's hope, and I believe in 2025, I'm expecting crypto.com CRO to actually hit at least $10. And remember, crypto.com is an exchange, and they will also do everything possible to help push this token. Okay, now once again, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.